that it's up to death, but there could be lesser punishments or none at all. What's the view of Jewish what's the Jewish view of Jesus? Did he exist? It's not on our radar. We have no contemporary Jewish teachings that were preserved by Jews that clearly talk about the Christian Jesus or the Muslim Jesus, which seems to be kind of different people also. Obviously Muslims believe Isa was not God. They believe he was a prophet, they believe he was a Messiah, but he was not God. And the traditional Christian view is that he is. The Jewish view is just, it's not on our radar. And again, the passages that have all been removed from the Talmud that talk about Yeshu, some people do think even some Jews think that's talking about Jesus. I don't believe that to be true, because certainly the passage in Sanhedrin, it's the wrong point in history.